Our airport outlet services 7 to 10 Goodwill stores in the area, along with donation sites in the geographical region. We have trailers at most of our donation sites that are driven directly from those sites to a retail store or to the outlet by Goodwill drivers in Goodwill trucks. When a trailer arrives at this facility, it's first parked at the dock. It's unloaded, generally by forklift, sometimes by hand, depending on the materials that are on the trailer. We unload approximately 30 tons of merchandise in this facility every day. About 15 trailers a day. So in addition to the 15 or so Goodwill trailers that we load and unload every day, we also have several loads of salvage and recycling being moved out of this facility daily as well. Once merchandise is staged for processing into the store, we use machinery to fill tables that are rolled onto the sales floor to provide that merchandise to our customers to shop.
Table coming out.
The sort of product that ends up at the outlet is the product that is donated at a retail store. The retail stores process it and go through it and price items to go to their sales floor. There's a cycle of 4 weeks that the merchandise is on the sales floor before it's deemed as is and sent to an outlet to be sold by the pound. We have furniture in a furniture area. We also have bins of electrical items and media, so music CDs and DVDs. We have linens and clothing. And then we also have all of our wares that are all in bins that shoppers can shop out of the bins for. We see a lot of resellers that come in, and there is a specific etiquette in shopping at an outlet in the bins. So they stand around the perimeter of where the tables are supposed to go, and they wait until all the tables are rotated in and they come to a complete stop before they can put their hands in the bins to shop. It just creates a more safe and polite shopping atmosphere. The tables are out on the floor around 2 hours, and then they're rotated off for fresh product coming in. And we rotate the whole sales floor about 3 to 4 times daily. It's a continuous cycle of product coming to the floor and then product leaving the floor and going to salvage next.
This is our post-retail salvage sort. Any merchandise that has not sold at the outlet store gets moved along this line and sorted into categories. Any one of about 14 to 18 categories that we have a buyer for will be sorted out. That will include small electronics, digital cameras, bags and purses, backpacks, stuffed animals, small toys, cell phones, CDs, DVDs. It's a long list. Our top 3 revenue sources in salvage: textiles number 1, shoes is number 2, and electronics is the 3rd. Goodwill is a registered collector under the Oregon and Washington State e-cycles program. That means that we will accept all covered electronic devices. That includes TVs, computer monitors, computers, printers, mice, and keyboards. And working with partners who recycle those materials in compliance with environmental regulations, we can ensure that they're handled properly. These clothes have been through our retail store and sorted for salvage, prepared for sale. These are 1,000-pound bundles of textile. They're staged here in our warehouse, waiting for our buyer to bring a truck in so we can load it up and send it on its way. Goodwill works diligently every day to sell, salvage, or recycle more than 85% of its total donations. And the GICW salvage and outlet operations is a model for other organizations across the country and even the world. We often host teams of visitors coming to learn how we do things and taking our ideas back and making it work for them.